Ebushon akwaba about too much GH. Message di mo a. Subscribe my page no me adoma no so me se na me upload bi anso na unsa ebetumi aka. Ebushon ene Sunday insu topa wo Accra na information ensa ka no rehosam ye pa se yankasa ye nuaba honorable lawyer Adwoa Safoa ene nkofuko bi abonitu a ba bi oda no onda ye kura. Information ba no bebe na de ayemhye fe se information ni kire se ya bonitu a we free mu ba ne kwasem ne ye se nyame nchade we free mu na oda emergency ward a doctor fo gya ne so a omo ehwe no question na ye bisa ne ye se ekwan be ne nam so na ma ye bo ye nuaba Adwoa Safoa we etu na ebusia me for wadwen enkwa ekira obeka se efiri ebra yakasa ye wura wonya ne ba bi ko Safo kantanka efiri mu. There's been a lot akoso when ebusia mu efa entoto ye wo so omo ye ejapade na ejapade a oja to ho no mu asori e na afin so no document ahodo bi a ne e wo so omutumi esensan
na yeti papa we la no a ebia no wabo obi a obeye the next leader edin enti ye ntwen umunu ya watuko hwim wo se wo mpene e na me ne elder baako ye de asem no court e na ekodi injunction e de beto so say the mo ye no money right some ye because constitution no e makwan na sebi ye besi ohini a ye bodwa e mani pa nyina ye bedi ye bobo ye besi ohini a ye bodwa e mani pa nyina e behu ye mfane kwose kokoam ene se mu besi ohini na mo de ne kwose kokoam di a ene na e kire se bibi ewo ho yakwaji injunction e dia beto so ene ya ka kire mo me personally enura anopa me ena me ne nkofo from court and the lawyer ene ye call obi afie 1111 a ye de injunction no ye de no vet no ekoma wo mu yankoto wo mu nti ye signing e de koma Council of Elders no addressing to the Christians of the Mission of Ghana. And any of the members of the 7 trustees sign okay. And I sign ye. Sign ye no. And I did my police and say David. Where the moon to me yet. Nakamu ye wo awushi. And pay Mokodru ho. Now police for your home. Say your mamma quine and mamun yet. And a movie ho. Enipa kakra bi wi a omo ba akwadwo fie se omo ba no mo de na besi so as a leader wa abra mo ntima ntwen ama papa tama ese de papa to no ye de ne to wie ansa na ya ye de ye beye mo ntimi antwen ana mo ye se mo de kwadwo e ba besi so ena ye free police and the police for no ba ye no and Adwoa friend bi say what we fanam so mommy mi wo fie and also police for na ba nam san mi no makasa and also okay and ono so ba be sha police for no e wo eye ba bi a mo ya ade no e wo kwadwo fie ho and the all ba no ono na drive car no ono ne younger brother bako ono kuta ne car and Adwoa e drive ne car Adwoa bedru ho no na opeso de ne car no ewura efie ho and a kwadoma order say firearm. Now they thought say Adwoa te car nechi and omu jai tu mu na onyame enkunwa otamfo eye kwa kwadwo position ti uku nuaba we enye onu aka wo ka woni baby asase na wote so nkwa na wudwa onu che Ghana for say edan no the 6 months ni si ye no boa eye wonua ba Adwoa ene kopa wo papa chew e ma wo ka asase no kono kofa baako asase no ya sori dia fa baako na fasi dan ene wodu furupe ani bre akohwie kromfo ena wokofa asase ni nyina kwajo wo bo unua wo oda wo boys am wo bo unua ba atuo because of position T. Dia wo de ye papa yi na achi ene dia wo de ye unua no nyina achi enam se wo ye huruye na mogya mpa wutiri mu danti ena order say unua ba no ye mfaya no
Ebusua sa documentation ni eye to ye ene asɔre no nso to ye no ene nam so me nne yabɔ ye maame Adwoa Safoa yi etu na nkyemu eba ene ye se nsɛm na kɔ ye twema mentwe to sense akopiem wɔ court a me no ka se court enye ndi asɛm no wiye na court endi asɛm no wiye no enne a me no ka se according to information me saka ne de Kristo asafoko na kasa tenase ena omo choose ye nua ba lawyer Adwoa Safoa nua ba ma no a na ebra ye wura kantaka etiase oji 2 minute feelings e de share lawyer Adwoa Safoa nsem say lawyer Adwoa Safoa ene ye panimu wo so da Kristo asafa no ene afo na yi ni nua ba ma no a omo install no as the next leader of Kristo asafo na ebusua aye nsem bebre to the extent say ye nua ba lawyer Adwoa Safoa te no ene o ye say opini ho no mo akohwe ne eko na so betimi stop omo a wetimi stop omo we no kodru ho no mo no omo the securities ejeja door post ni nyina no omo lock doors ni nyina nti ye nua ba enya kwan bia emfe ngrum nti according to lawyer no e na wo kirem say or the car na pempempempem ye se na ko betimi nya the way out ene yebisa ne say adenti na wo so mo tupu mu etia no but ebusuya mesika metia ne metie ebusuya lawyer nkiremu o de bana and to toss so mami ye no say there is something they are trying to hide but ebusuya obi si todo e matwa ye kwene kwatie how a ebusuya lawyer kofi edi ni nkomo no
the bank came again and then we realized that it was a car which was banging at the gate and wanted to enter. So I think there was a trade bank. So she banged and they got to realize that it was Honorable Adwoa Safoa who was in the car.
Abusafo ene Sunday ye wo honom ye nka bi hyemu ye te ya ne say Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo yabo ni tuo yabo Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo tuo ama nanim nyina won ama ne ka nyina no un say etu aboba apenetrate ne santi no Joy News omutimi ebopia na Kofi Kantanka ono na ye lawyer for Kristo asafo ama the details ni nyina aba abra na Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo person de ne car ebo gate na omo ye instrument ewo asore honom no ni nyina odi nkyeremu na ba yentie mra.
As a member and a lawyer for the church, I received some brief detail of it. So maybe as far as I can share the briefing I got. And so but it's all about the introduction of the newly appointed leader. So per our constitution, as you know, our founder has passed on. And then there needs to be a replacement in terms of the leadership. And so the Constitution gave some powers to the Council of Elders to go through the process and appoint a new leader from among the sons of the founder. So they have gone through the process. They started some months ago. So they have gone through the process and now they have settled on one person. And then today they have wanted to introduce the third one person to the General Council. The General Council they represent the members. So today's program was to introduce the newly appointed leader to the General Council, who represent the entire membership of the church. So that was what the incident was all about, as in today's ceremony. Yes.
So who fired the shots then?
Who fired the shots?
We understand that Adwoa Safo Kantanka has been shot. True or not?
For that one, I can't tell. And for what I know is that after the introduction of the newly appointed leader to the members after the ceremony, they heard a very loud bang. There are two gates, the northern gate and the southern gate. So they heard a loud bang at the southern gate. And then people were surprised. The bang came again, and then we realized that it was a car which was banging at the gate and wanted to enter. So I think there was a trade bang. So she banged, and they got to realize that it was Honorable Adwoa Safoa who was in the car. So since she couldn't penetrate the gate through with her car, she went to the northern gate. After that, and then she repeated the same thing. She banged it. She banged the second one, and then the security apparatus, the private security, indicated to her that no, what she's doing will cause casualty because there were still people in the premises. Because when you enter through the gate with your car, you don't know who you can walk over or drive over with a car. So they started firing warning shots to prevent her from coming, from entering the residence with her car. So as to whether they shot her, as to whether she was wounded, yes, we've seen pictures around that. That's not what actually happened on ground.
But why were they preventing her from entering the church premises?
Sorry?
Why were they preventing her from entering the church premises?
No one prevented her from entering the church. If she had parked and then come down and then indicated that she wants to enter, that would have been all. But
is she not part of the leadership of the church?
Sorry?
Is she not part of the leadership of the church?
No, she's not part of the leadership of the church.
And when the decision of who becomes the leader of the church came up, was she not invited?
Yes. The Council of Elders, as far as I know, wrote to all the children. Wrote to all the children of the founder. But then, according to the Council of Elders, none of them honored the invitation.
But
that's the picture I've gotten.
She was on her way to the church premise, not so.
No, not the church premise. The place we held the ceremony was held. It's not a church premise.
Right.
Yes.
What place is that?
The place is a residence built by the son of the founder.
And why did she have to force her way through? If the church leadership indeed wrote to her to be present.
I think that question should be directed to her. I can answer as to why she wants to force her way there. Because if you want to come and then you get down, you want to come, no one will prevent you. So as to whether if she was prevented, then why should she force her way to? I think she should be answering the question.
You spoke about the gunshots as well, and I asked a question earlier: who fired those shots and why?
The shot.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. The shots. Who fired those shots?
I wasn't on ground, but we had gunshots. According to the briefing I got was that she fired the first shot. That's the briefing I got. She fired the first shot and then banged the gate with her car.
So she fired the first shot.
When she fired those shots, the security apparatus, the private security, also knew that the lives of people were at risk. So they were giving warning shots.
And we understand now that she is injured at the hospital. Can you confirm that for us?
Well, I can't confirm that.
Was any other person injured in that exchange of fire?
No, not that I know of. Not that I know of.
What is the leadership of the church going to do next after this incident?
So the matter is currently under investigation. So the security apparatus, the special security is also involved. So it's but as to the leadership of the church, we also conduct our investigation, our private investigation to it, and then anybody who has perpetrated anything will be brought to book.
Thank you very much.
So the leadership of the church is also meeting to see put everything together as to who has done what and who has done what's wrong. But as far as now, we are still getting busy.
When in your echoes our cantanka ebushimua, a yaura who some ye pass a mucha egufom, or Messero, so what you tribia will be ano. What about your comments as Sidama and Sunny, you have as about GNC? Not for the more, subscribe page in the Mia Domanoso, send a mere apple biansona, unsa ebitimiaka. Macra.